Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about Chase Bank, and more specifically we're talking about how to use your Apple Pay wallet to withdraw money at an ATM with your Chase account. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Chase Bank, it is one of the largest banking institutions in the US. They might be the largest, but I'm not too sure about that. If you happen to know, be sure to leave us a comment below, let the rest of us know. But why would you use Apple Pay wallet to withdraw money from your Chase checking account? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a dummy like me and you left your wallet at home, you still need to put gas in the car, and you also sometimes need to pull cash out. So there was a time that I left my wallet at home, I didn't have money for gas, and also I didn't have money to get anything to eat, so that was kind of annoying. I was telling a friend one day and they recommended I download and use Apple Pay wallet, so I did some research on it and it's a pretty cool function. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put your debit card into Apple Pay wallet, and that way if you forget your debit card at home or your wallet, you can still use your debit card at the ATM for your Chase Bank account without the debit card. You would simply just use your PIN number and your phone to access cash. So that's really convenient. So this doesn't really have anything to do with the Chase Bank app. This is actually going to be set up through your Apple Pay wallet, which is right here. You don't have to download this app. It's already pre-installed in your Apple iPhone, and it's this little icon that looks like a wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and open mine now. All right, I went ahead and opened up my Apple Pay wallet, and then in this home screen, you see all the different cards that you have associated with your Apple Pay wallet. Now, you will need to add your Chase Bank debit card into your Apple Pay wallet. If you haven't done that already, be sure to go back and watch my other video that describes that process. It's pretty easy. I'll try to leave a link in the video description that walks you through step by step to add your Chase debit card into your Apple wallet. But just a brief rundown, what you want to do is just add this little plus sign right here. Once you click on that, then it's going to prompt you to follow the steps in adding your Chase debit card. Now, once you've added your Chase debit card into your Apple Pay wallet like I have, what you're going to do is you just simply go to an ATM, a Chase ATM. Has this little icon located on it, and what that means is that ATM has the technology to be able to communicate with your phone any kind of information on there, and that way it allows you access to the ATM without your debit card. And what you want to do is just open your wallet, your Apple Wallet, before you get to the ATM. Once you get near the ATM, you want to put your phone close to the symbol that looks like this on the ATM. Once you have those close together, they will start to communicate, and then you will be prompted to use either your thumbprint or your Face ID to unlock your Apple Wallet. Once that happens, then you will be prompted to enter your PIN number. The PIN number is the one that you set up for your Chase debit card. It will be the same. Then you'll want to enter your Chase debit card PIN number into the ATM. Once that happens, then you would have access to that ATM as if you had your Chase debit card. So that's pretty convenient. So I've already added my Chase debit card into my Apple Pay wallet. Let's go ahead and jump on over to the video of me at an ATM and show you how easily this works. Alright, so there you have it. That was pretty easy, as you can see. So one thing I do want to note is that you want to make sure that you get an ATM that has this particular symbol, because I was inside that branch and they had maybe 4 or 5 ATMs, and one of them did not have this particular icon. I tried to use it and it did not work. And then actually I tried a different ATM that had this icon and it didn't work either. For some reason it wasn't communicating. So I just switched over to another ATM and then it worked like magic. There was no issue at all. and I even got a receipt. Let me go ahead and show you that. All right, so here's my receipt, as you can see right here, and then actually it has my card, the last 4 digits of the card, even though I didn't use that, so that's pretty neat. So there you have it. That is how to use your Apple Pay wallet to withdraw money at a Chase ATM, even if you don't have the debit card. Hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.